Hi guys, Yulianna here. Today we are gonna talk about how to make money online and how to get rich in 2022. So let's start. It doesn't matter what business you would like to open, you must choose some business model. It can be anything such as e-commerce or some trades or just selling online or offering some courses. The main idea is you should follow same business model for some time. Just try to choose some business model and follow it. Try to stick on it. It will be hard before it gets easier. You should know about it, you should understand it. Usually when you start new business, you should expect a couple of weeks, even couple of months, you will not have any income on it. Just give it some time. Try not to jump from one business model to other. I would say give it at least from 3 to 6 months. Be ready, you will not make any income on it. If you are lucky and you have a great business idea, it might be sooner when you start making money on it, but on average, some business, like new business which you start, you should expect from 3 to 6 months. Just try to have some part-time job or run your business in the evenings when you have your free time, or just try to have savings to be able to cover your expenses for that time. Next step, choose a niche. Remember, all niches can be profitable, but if your business falls into some of those niches such as health, wealth or relationships, it's more chances it will be profitable. If you help people to improve their finance, to make more money, to get richer, you are on the right path. Or for example, if you help people with their relationship, to find their perfect partner for life, or to improve their current relationships that they have right now, or to help them make it healthier, it's a good niche to choose. Everything related to health, when you help people improve their health, their diet, their nutrition, losing weight, it's a really great niche. Those niches are very profitable because in some point every one of us has problem with one or a couple of niches that I mentioned right now. So try to stay into it. But even if your topic is not falling in some of those categories, no worries. There are still so many people who need your services, so many of them who would like to get your assistance, to get your help, and they are ready to pay money to be able to solve their problems. The main key of successful business is that your business should solve somebody else's problems. If it does, believe me, your business will be successful. Next one, building a community around your business. It's very important to grow your audience. Nowadays, in modern world, there are so many ways to be able to grow your audience on your business. Even start from zero when you are super new. I would suggest really consider social media channels. There are so many of them, and choose which one works best for your business. How to do it? Very easy. Just see what your competitors do. You don't need to see competitors in your city, for example. If you see and you analyze market of your competitors in your city too, it's really great. But you can check, for example, competitors in different cities or maybe even in different countries. See on which social media channels they are concentrating. For example, if you are in beauty, in fashion, in blogging, Instagram works really great. But TikTok is really great thing too. For new businesses, TikTok, it's really great tool to grow audience and expose information about your brand to new people. You don't need even basically to make videos of yourself. You can make videos of your product, and you don't need anything so much professional for it. You don't need any special tools for it. All you need is basically just your phone. You can create everything with your phone. You don't need to have even any editing tools, because TikTok inside you have all necessary tools which you need to be able to create and edit your videos. I would say right now TikTok has really the best algorithm, because basically you and your brand can go viral just in a couple of days. You don't need to spend weeks, months or sometimes years to be able to grow your brand. You just need to create interesting videos, grab people's attention, get some responses from them, and with time, quite quickly, you will have really a lot of followers and a lot of attention to your business. I would say if you would like to rank social media platforms, TikTok is the easiest to start, the least possible time you need to be able to create a new content, because it's short video basically. Second, and quite good algorithm and conversion, is YouTube. I'm still trying to figure it out actually how it works. They say that you need to post consistently every week on YouTube and everything will be really great, and many people suggest and they say that YouTube has one of the best conversion to be able to convert your viewers into your customers. We'll see. And on the third place, I would place Instagram. Instagram is really a great social media platform, but it's again depending on your niche. For example, if you are in beauty, in food blogging, or in blogging, in fashion, Instagram is definitely #1 platform for you. But there are still so many different niches which you can grow in different social media platforms. And ideally, if you give a try on different social media platforms, and then you choose for yourself which one works for you. Because you need to be motivated to continue posting and engage with your audience, because the most important is just to grab their attention and then slowly to switch it to your product. To be able to economize your time, try to see what your competitors do. It shouldn't be in the same city as you, just see competitors in the same sphere, your colleagues, let's say, yeah, who is doing business in the same sphere, maybe in different city or maybe even in different countries, and just see what social media do they use, which channels perform best for them, and they just try to follow the same strategy and hopefully you will be successful. Many new business owners, they say it's really quite hard to sell on TikTok right now. So basically this model they use. They simply expose information about their business and they slowly funnel them to their business website, where basically they offer their services or sell something online. So to be able to turn them from visitors to clients. And next step, one of the most important steps, it's your product which you sell. It can be as a physical product which you sell online, or it can be some services which you offer to your clients, or for example some online course. It can be anything, or even if you don't offer some product yourself, it can be an affiliate marketing. It's a great way to be able to make money online when you don't have your ready products. All you need to do is just simply to grab attention of those people on different social media channels to that product which you are advertising to them, which you recommend to them. I would try, of course, to suggest people something that you really believe in, that you use yourself. You can share your own experience, and when you suggest something to them, you can put in the description your affiliate link. So when people use your affiliate link and they buy that product, all the things, all the tough work is done by that third company where they buy that product. But you receive your commission that you recommended people buying it. Usually using affiliate links, you receive from 20 to 80% of commission. It's quite good money. Basically, you didn't create that product yourself, or you didn't need to do any heavy work, let's say, sending that product, taking care about customer service and all other tough things. All you needed to do is just to suggest that product to people, advertise it, and because you suggested that product to them, that company is ready to pay for you your fee. I would suggest to you try to concentrate on more expensive things which you are selling than cheaper things, because basically you need to spend the same effort to be able to sell it. But if you sell something, let's say for $100 and you get 20% commission, you have $20. And if you sell something, let's say for $10, you have 20%, it's basically only $2. So you spend the same time, the same effort to be able to grab that client. In first thing, you are getting $20. In second situation, you are getting $2. I would suggest to you, just try to find some good company which offers good quality products, that you are not shy to suggest them to your audience, let's say, and they are giving some good or generous commission, so you know that you have really good return in the end when you are spending time advertising their product. I really wish you good luck, and I hope those tips really helped you. So if you found value in this video, please press the like button. It will help me tremendously. And subscribe if you haven't done it yet. See you in my next video.